I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not.
What's up, YouTube? It is your girl Shay, and you are watching Glamplified Beauty. In today's video is brought to you by SheBad Cosmetics, because honey, she bad. Okay, she bad. But she was kind enough to send me her products to review for you guys. I am a part of her brand, so my discount code would be down below. It is also right here, Sherry10. So make sure after I show y'all these products, y'all go onto her site, buy some palette, y'all, buy some lashes and whatever else that she sells, because she is great. She's a wonderful person. I want to say thank you, first of all, for allowing me to promote your product out to my viewers, my followers, my subscribers, whoever may be watching. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss another video and all these new brands and products that I'm going to bring to you guys. Okay, so without further ado, we are going to get into what I got in the mail. So if you want to see, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, I know I look a mess. That is because I have a wig review that is coming soon, so make sure y'all be on the lookout for that. I didn't get to put my any makeup on because today school started and I had to send the kids to school and all that good stuff, clean up the house and whatever. So I'm coming to y'all live, raw and direct, okay? But we're gonna have some makeup on tomorrow for my next video using this palette, okay? So this is from SheBad Cosmetics, and I am a part of her PR brand and I promote her products, and this is no lie, no joke, everything is real. Y'all know I'm real. I do not come with that phony stuff, so I'm gonna let y'all know the real tea, the real deal on this company, okay? So y'all won't feel like I'm lying to y'all just because I received the products. I will never do that, so I'm just gonna put that out there now. So this is what the packaging looks like. It has her logo and the name of the palette. The name of the palette is She Naked palette, and it's from SheBad Cosmetics. I will have the link down below, but that is the front of the packaging, and on the back it just has all the ingredients here. Let me see. Okay, I don't see no silicone, so y'all good on that. Okay, so let's open her up. She is bubble wrapped, nice and secured, which I like. And the outside of the packaging, it looks just like the front of the packaging, the box packaging. SheBad Cosmetics, She Naked palette. I don't know why I keep saying She Naked, like she naked. It's just, but yeah, She Naked in her website. And let's get into the nitty gritty, y'all. Let's see what this palette looks like. I'm gonna remove the plastic covering. And sorry if y'all hear my phone vibrating. I'm actually talking to my twin while I'm filming this video. So hey, twin. But okay, so these are the colors. Look, y'all. Look at these colors, y'all. Get into it. Get into SheBad. Spring is approaching, so I see a lot of springy colors. I like these pinks right here. I like this pink right here too, this red. We have a black, y'all. So let's see. There is a mixture of mattes and shimmers. Most of them I think are shimmer, and you might have your satins here, but you have a black and you have a shimmery white here. So since we're still into the fall, well, winter, fall, this is very appropriate, especially since it's 2019. Why not buy you a new palette? I'm going to just do some live swatching so you guys can see the pigmentation and the quality of these palettes, and then I'm going to come back and show y'all and let y'all know what I think. But the second product that I want to show y'all, look at that. Look at this. This is a pair of her lashes that she also has on her site. It says Bomb Lashes by the, I can't read that part, but this is the packaging. Look at it. It looks like a nice little Tiffany box. It got a bow on it and stuff. So let's open her up, shall we? Yes. And one thing I like about companies is that they pay attention to detail and packaging, because the first thing a person buys is the package. Truth be told, honestly, if I see a cute package, I'm buying it. I don't care what it is. And the fact that it has glitter, if y'all don't know me by now, I love my glitter. So let's get into the lash, y'all. Y'all gonna see it the same time I'm seeing it. Look at the lash, y'all. Let me move that ribbon. These are the lashes, y'all. And these are 3D mink lashes. I will have the price on the screen and also down below, and the link to where you can find it. It says Bomb Lashes, Instagram is famous, and it has her Facebook and her Instagram. And these are 6D/84, but those are the lashes. They are very soft. I want to try it. Y'all. Hold on, let's try. I can't customize it, like cut them and apply them, but I'm just gonna try it out. So let's see. Y'all, these is cute. Nice and full. Yes, that's what I'm talking about, girl. You did your thing with these lashes. Of course, these will be cut, but y'all look at these are my 2019 lashes, y'all. 2019 lashes. But yeah, I just had to try them on. I'm sorry. But that is the lashes. She has a whole bunch of styles on her site. I will put the link down below to where you can find them. She also does hair, y'all. So if y'all want custom units done, y'all want y'all hair did, I will put her information down below so y'all can contact her via Facebook or via Instagram, whichever one. But let's get into these swatches, y'all, because I know that's what y'all came for. But make sure y'all get these palettes. She has a whole bunch of palettes. She has 3 palettes out already. She snatched, so get you snatched. She has She Naked and the Paparazzi, I think it's called, if I'm not mistaken, but I will list it down below. But make sure y'all check her out. Let her know that I sent y'all. Use my discount code Sherry10 to save y'all some coins for 2019, because we don't want to be broke and cute. We want to be cute and got some money in our pocket, okay? So stay tuned for the swatches, y'all. Okay, so as y'all seen by the swatches that I had, my live swatches, they are very pigmented. They felt very creamy. For some, it was hard to apply. I had to add like a second coat. That was basically mostly the matte shades, but for the most part, you can't really tell by swatching it on your arm. It's all how it applies once you put it on your eyes and with the brush, so I don't really tell by that kind of stuff. But overall, I will give, out of 5, I will give it a 4. A 4. 4 stars for SheBad Cosmetics, because she bad. She did her thing. I ain't gonna lie, she did her thing. Girl, let me know your secret. Let me know your secret, girl. Don't tell nobody. But yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys in these lashes. Y'all, these lashes is everything. Y'all gonna be seeing them, okay? But make sure y'all get y'all hands on some of her palettes. Let me know if y'all get it. Use my discount code Sherry10, which is also down below, just in case you forget. But I am out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are new, hey boo hey. If y'all my glam dolls, hey, what's up? What's goody? Make sure y'all hashtag glam doll gang. And make sure y'all hashtag notification squad to let me know y'all got the notification with your comment down below. Without further ado, I'm out of here, y'all. See y'all in the next one.